In this video, we're going to look at how we can wrap textures over the surface of a shell. This is a feature that was added to V2. In order to understand what's been added to V2, we also need to look at what was going on in version 1 first. So in version 1, we had the ability to be able to apply what we called a density reduction shape into a design. And the effect of this when we exported using Print 360 was to punch holes all the way through the device. In version 2, we've added the ability to add a relief as well. So how does that work? If I add my shape, this is slightly changed. The default behavior is the V1 behavior where it cuts all the way through, but now I can turn that off and I can add a depth, so say 1 millimeter. I can add that texture to the top or to the bottom of my shell and I can apply. And what will happen now is it will apply that texture, my branding, or maybe some kind of spring effect or density reduction that I want in my part. In addition to this, we can also add logos now. So looking at the same tool again, and here looking at the FitFoot 360 logo, we can apply that into our design too. We can position that where we want. We can have it cut all the way through again, or just add it to the bottom with a depth of 1 and prescribe. So here now what I have on the bottom is a pattern and my logo. Now both of these items are custom items. What does that mean? It means that whilst we have textures that you can play with that come with the install, if you want something specific to you, like your logo or a texture that is yours, we would then charge that as a custom job. But as you can see, we're keeping the clinical surface on top, and we're allowing the bottom surface to apply branding or to allow us to put some kind of decoration on the bottom. So what sort of things can we create? Well, if we look in here, we can create patterns in the bottom that have no effect on the clinical surface we can see underneath. They are just a pattern that is placed in the surface along with possibly some text embossed or a logo. Likewise here, we have another idea. Now we can see the benefits of being able to relieve a pattern into the surface of our shell.